In the shop here, playing with this Icebox action camera because I'm going to be taking it to Mexico here shortly. I wanted to play with it a little bit more. Hadn't really had a chance, so I'll give you a little bit of an update on the progress in the shop here. Of course, I mentioned in an earlier video we're going to be making some changes. I'll kind of show you what some of those are here. Okay, so if you recall, this is a view you get a lot of the time when I'm shooting video in here. Of course, still have the same table saw. I do have it for sale, but people seem to think it's only worth $100 or $200. Well, I got news for them. They're not going to get it for that. Not with this router lift and everything else in it. So, what have I done here? Well, that bunch of shelves that were there before is now gone. I've brought another 60 amp 240 volt circuit over here, put a little bit of a panel up. I've got my Milwaukee battery chargers over there. I got my battery racks up. Got power run for, of course, the saw, the router table, several quads over there for the battery chargers that are up high, plus other utility power. And then over here, got two quads down low, and the upper one is for the dust collector, which is going to sit right over there where I've got all that plywood stacked up right now. And I do still need to move that file cabinet right there. That's going to be relocated elsewhere, along with all the peripherals on it, so I have to get that figured out. This is kind of give you an idea of what the progress is in here. It's taking a lot of time. For about ready to go on vacation here, but when I get back here in mid-December, that right over there in that corner where I've got all that wood stacked, that's where the dust collector is going to go, and we're going to port it down this wall right here. I'm not getting a huge dust collector, just 1.5 horse jet, because I've only got a short run here. I'm not running pipe all over the shop here. I don't need to, and I have a very small area. So that's just a little quick update of what's been going on in the shop here. Of course, everything else is still a mess, as it always is. But hoping to get a little bit better organized here for 2025, and a little bit of new equipment over there and much better dust collection. I really need that in here, especially when we get into heavy production on things. So if you get anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. I'm Roger in the shop, playing with a Icebox action camera. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.